Hello, and in this video we'll be creating the file and folder structure for our application. In the last video we've installed Tailwind CSS, and now we'll be making everything so we can actually write some code ourselves. First of all, we can go to our source folder, go to app.css and simply delete it. Next, you can go over here to the side to extensions and find this extension. This will allow you to use some shortcuts and snippets in React to be able to write your code faster. For example, we can go over here and delete absolutely everything. And here you can simply run RAFCE and press tab. As you can see, we have a new app component generated for us. For most applications, it is best to split up your code. For example, the nav bar should be one part of code, your welcome section another part. It is easier to debug and the website works better. For this, we'll go to source and create a new folder called components. Here we'll store these different parts of our code. We can create a new file called welcome.jsx. All files in React end with .jsx. Once again, we can run RAFCE here. And here we have a welcome component. But if you go here, we can't actually see it anywhere because we've created it, but we haven't actually implemented it. Your computer essentially only sees your app component. And we need everything to be in our app. For that, there's something called import. Importing a file means you can use it in the other file. So we can go to our app.jsx, write import, welcome, from /components/welcome. / means we're returning to the folder that we are in currently. So app.jsx is located directly in the source folder. So we're looking into the source folder. Then we go into components, which is in the source folder, and then into welcome to fetch welcome from there. The code that you actually see on your page is written in JSX. JSX is very similar to HTML, there's only a few minor differences. So it will look practically the same. In here, we can create a self-closing welcome tag. This will paste our code from here into our app. If we go back, as you can see, we have app and welcome. This is the basic file and folder structure. In your source folder, you also have your assets folder. In here, you will store all your images that you're using in your application. Otherwise, if you have a single page application, like we're doing right now, you will not need to create any more folders in the source folder.